Hey guys, welcome back. I have found a bunch of carrots with the tops still attached to it, which is, living in the UK, which is extremely rare. And I got all excited because I love adding this to a carrot sabji. So let's cook carrot, peas, with the green sabji. In the end, I'm going to add a little extra crunch to it. Also, when I have this sabji ready, I'm going to share some serving options with you. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's get cooking. First things first, I need to chop up the carrots. In India, this is one of the most popular made vegetables in the winters because, carrots are in season in the winter there, and also the green peas are in season. So combining the two is kind of really something not that I've invented. It's a classic combination, a very popular, often made in the winters, and it's really healthy, vegan. It ticks all the boxes. So first things first, I'm going to prep the carrots. Now, I think this might be too many for 4 people. I just want it as a side dish. So I might only cook 5 carrots instead of 7. You can see all the mud with this as well. I love it, which means it's kind of, fresh and lovely, close to where you are. So it's reasonably locally grown. And I'm going to chop these greens roughly. Got this really strong aroma to it, the leaves. Absolutely gorgeous. Now it's really key that you wash this because it's so muddy that I need to give it a good wash just to the leaves first. So I'm going to be using 6 carrots and I'm just going to peel them. And I'm going to just chop all of these into small pieces. And that's all the carrots chopped and ready. I'm going to start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil of your choice. I'm using sunflower, rapeseed oil or olive oil, whatever you like. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, the leaves go in. Next goes in the carrots. Time for some spices. Half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon turmeric, ground turmeric. And now 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix. And cover with a lid and cook this on medium to low heat for 10 minutes. 10 minutes in, I'm just going to check on the carrots. Yeah, it needs 5 more minutes. I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. Give it 1 more tablespoon of water. Two tablespoons. And then put the lid back on for 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, and now we add 200 grams of frozen peas. Peas are not in season here at the moment, so I'm just using the frozen peas. Give it a mix. They don't need much cooking at all, and I'm just going to add another tablespoon of water, and I'm going to give it last 5 minutes on low heat. The last 5 minutes that the carrots and peas need, I'm going to prepare the crunch that I promised in the start of the video. So this is kind of, I have kind of made it into my own. I have shared a carrot sabji recipe many years ago, which is more kind of the way my mum makes it, but this one is just like something different. So I have got here some walnuts and I'm going to very quickly roast them for 2 minutes in a dry pan. So these walnuts have had 2 minutes. They are nicely roasted, a little bit hot. You can wait for them to cool down. I'm just roughly chopping them up. That is looking really good. Let's look at our carrots and peas now. All right, that smells so good. Now I'm going to add just half a teaspoon of sugar. You can add a dash of honey, like literally a dash of honey, not more than half a teaspoon. And I'm going to finish this with half a teaspoon of garam masala. It smells so good, and that crunch in the end is gonna make it extra special because it is already so special right now. Now, when it comes to serving this, if you're making just this, serve it with some chapatis, or if you are happy eating a little bit of extra oil, then you can serve it with parathas. They will go perfectly with this. But I am going to be making the most beautiful, perfectly matched dal to serve this with in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. That recipe is going to be coming up next. And till then, I'm going to enjoy it. That's beautiful. Classic combination. The walnuts go perfectly with that, and the leaves add a bit more texture and flavor. Really hope you will try this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with another new recipe, the dal recipe. Bye for now. Ooh, so good.